Hey everyone, it's a cold morning here. Check out my fall rug. Yeah, I'm still in my bathrobe. The witches are ready to greet people at the door. And Tom has been working on the hearth. You can see I have all my furniture covered from the likes of Dewey. It did Dewey. Hello, Doo-Doo. Hello, Doo-Doo, you boo-boo. Hi, honey. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Yes, I love you so much. Hello, sweetie. Let's go see what's going on in the tavern. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, there's nothing like a cozy fire in the morning, and Bella has found it. Haven't you, Belle Belle? Hey, Belle Belle. Hey, Dodo Belle Belle. Hey, Doos. Oh, how beautiful. So Bonnie came over yesterday afternoon. Bonnie is a viewer on the channel who has been a docent at a history museum, and she has years of hearth cooking experience. And so she came over to hearth cook for us. So she's doing a meal for Mel and Alice and Lainey and all of us after the meet and greet, but she's also going to be here during the meet and greet cooking in the hearth, and we're going to have homemade bread and pumpkin butter and who's licking my toes? And it's really exciting. So she came over yesterday and just brought, like, everything she brought is so picturesque. She's got the big wooden bowls. That one's mine. And she's got the trencher. And she has a costume for me. Oh, this is my redware. But today is going to be a big cooking day, and it's pretty exciting. You can see this year I didn't put anything over my mantle because I was thinking about this cooking day. Don't get too close to the fire, Doo-Doo. So I got a table all set up for her for a workstation, and she'll be here in about a half hour. So I've got to take a shower. Now, I'm showing you guys this video because I'm going to do a surprise live today. I was thinking about videoing this event, but I think what we'll do is we'll just do a live and set up. As this is going to be really fun. Tom is stoking up the beehive oven. Look at how cool that is. Oh man. And you know what? It's nice and chilly outside, so this is perfect. So I haven't done my home tour yet. You can see a little bit of my tavern. I set it all up for when all the ladies are here and we're having a tavern dinner. But I will do that after the meet and greet. I wanted to keep it open for the meet and greet. I wanted the people who came for the home tour to have nice surprises. So decided not to do the home tour till after that. But next week I will be sure and do that for you. And this morning you will, or sometime, I think it'll be more like noon, but sometime today I'll go live. So I gotta get my shower, some coffee, some things to get me going, and we'll see you soon.